Hey everybody, my name is Tabitha Hyatt and I'm here with my amazing Pretend students today. I have Katie Meek, say hey.
Hey.
I got Lily Campbell, say hey. I got Hannah Hyatt, say hey. Hey, so today guys, we're going to talk about perimeter. This is something that you guys have learned before. So this will be a review for you guys, but it's something that you're going to use for a lot of years in school and even in your life. You may need to get fencing for your yard. You may need to get ribbon for some kind of decoration you're doing, and you might want to go all the way around the room. You're going to have to find what perimeter is, okay? So perimeter, definition for perimeter, the continuous line forming the boundary of a closed geometric figure. So if you've ever watched a movie, they say secure the perimeter, right? They're wanting to have people around that entire space, that entire area, to make sure nothing gets in, nothing gets out. So we're going to secure the perimeter today and learn a little bit about it and just have some review, okay? So I'm going to put one shape up on the board. We're going to put our soccer field up here. It's going to be a beautiful drawing. As you can see, I'm an excellent artist. Okay. Okay. All right, our soccer field is 150 feet wide, and it is 225 feet long. Okay, to find the perimeter, all we need to remember is that we need to add the side. Okay, there's two different formulas we could use. So if we just say perimeter equals the length plus the width plus the width. Okay, that's just a long way of saying add the sides up. We could also use, when you have a rectangle, you can say 2 times width plus 2 times, length plus 2 times width. Okay? So if I have 225 feet on that side, I'll have 225 feet on this side. 100 feet on that side. I know this is going to be 150 feet. Okay? Somebody do the math on that and tell me what the perimeter of our soccer field is if we add all that together. Done. 750. That's right, Katie. Thank you. So 750 feet is our perimeter. Okay? If I use this, I'm just going to say 225 plus 225 plus 150 plus 150. And we can do that. And that's going to give us the 750. Or we can say 2 times 225 plus 2 times 150. Okay, and both times we're going to get 750 feet. Okay? All right, so we know we have a rectangle that we're going to be able to use either formula, right? Either one. All right, let's do another one up here. If I have a skinny rectangle, a long rectangle, okay, and this is 2, let's say this is 16, okay, what would my perimeter be? First off, what is this side going to be? 16. What is this side going to be? 2. Okay, just a rectangle, we know the width's going to be the same, the length's going to be the same. Okay, so Hannah Hyatt, 36, 16 and 16 is 32. Let's score. Yep, 36. Yes. So I got 2 times 16 plus 2 times 2 is 32 plus 4 equals 36. Okay, good job. All right, now, and again, we could do with a 2 times length plus 2 times width there. But where we're going to get into some areas that we can't do the 2 times width and the 2 times length, it's going to be irregular shapes. Okay? If I have a doghouse, and I'm going to hang Christmas lights all over my doghouse, like Snoopy did on Peanuts movie, right? I'm going to need to know what is my space around this doghouse. Okay? Let's say that my roof is 3 feet, that my sides are 5 feet, and my bottom is 4 feet. I can't do the 2 times length plus 2 times width on this scanner because it's irregular. It won't work. So I'll go back to the very basic one where I'm just going to add it up. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. And we've got a 4. So now I can just add them all up. What's 16 plus 4? 20. So my perimeter 20. So really perimeter is the easiest thing, right? Because we're just adding the sides around. Okay? So we're going to do something fun really quick. We're going to get up out of our desk and we're going to find the perimeter of things in our room. Okay? Okay, do we feel like we know what perimeter is? That we should use it anywhere we go. We were asked, what is perimeter? It is the distance what?
Around geometric shape.
Around a geometric shape. High five, Penny makes fantastic. Okay. All right, we covered that. All right, we've measured these things. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to pass out just this really simple worksheet. It's just super duper simple. It's going to have some of the pictures will have the lengths on every side, some won't. Remember, we're going to know what that is. Okay? So right before we do this, so we put your name on it really quick. We're going to do one more thing. One more thing. Say good job measuring all the things. Y'all are hilarious watching you guys try to figure out how to use that yardstick over there. All right, so last thing we're going to do, and I'm going to need a volunteer. Who is someone that hasn't come to the board yet?
Katie.
Okay, so we don't only need to know how to find the perimeter of a given shape, but let's say I give you perimeter. Can we actually draw the shape? So, Katie, if I give you something that is 10 inches long and 5 inches wide. All right? Okay. So we know what's our perimeter going to be then? 30. Okay. All right. Can you come and draw using your that and your ruler? I got the word out. There we go. And draw something. Show me what this shape would be if it was 10 inches long and 5 inches wide. It's okay if it's crooked. Everything I draw is crooked.
Finish my worksheet.
Good job.
Thank you.
Looks amazing. It looks amazing. All right. All right, good deal. Okay, so we took the measures that we had and Chuck called some things on the floor, I apologize. And so this is 10 inches, this is 10 inches, this is 5 and 5. What if I gave you a size? Now, all I told you was that it was 6 inches. Okay, the sides were all 6 inches. What would this shape be? A square. Square. Yeah, because the square has all, rectangle, it's got 2 long sides, short, polygon, they could be all different long sides. But if you see that you're only given one, right, and I take my ruler, oh, that's too much. Thanks. This is hard to do.
I know, it's hard to keep it up there and draw.
Right. I think I might prefer my messy stuff. Let it be wonky. All right. So that would be my 6. That would be my square. So you would know that, okay? If they give you one side, they want the perimeter. Okay. What if I gave you, let's do this really quick. This is just kind of like the next step of perimeter. If I gave you this shape, okay, so if I had this and the area was 20, okay, these sides are 8, but I need to know the size, the measurement of the width. 2. Okay. So 8 and 8 is 16. Very good, Katie. Yeah, it's 2. That's what we're missing. Okay, because 2 plus 2 is 4, and 16 plus 4 is 20. Okay, so you guys are going to do your perimeter worksheet. Somebody's already finished. It's a simple worksheet that kind of goes over what we learned today. They're going to find, also, I'm going to send this home with them, and I will have this on a link when I put my video up. And it's just a perimeter fun sheet take home. It's where you just find the perimeter, and then you color that shape or whatever, that number, green, purple, whatever it is. Okay? Also, I would recommend for the next day coming in would be to have something like a desk work for them, whether it be a bell ringer or just something that they do from transitioning, maybe from reading or science into math. An opportunity to kind of get them in that headspace, the perimeter person. So you're able to actually on this grid draw a person in the boxes, nothing around, and then you find the perimeter of an arm or the whole body all the way around. So that's something that's fun to do also. So anyway, you guys say bye, and thank you so much for learning that perimeter with us. Bye! Bye.